Maki, Benji, Joseph, Tom is out there. Maki, 1,200 euros goes to you. Marvelous. So big times here. Ceci, Signet! Ceci! Good morning! Hi. My last 5 rounds, 1, 2, and coin flip were the winning segments. Good luck. Hey, hopefully we're gonna get some spectacular winnings. So 4x on a crazy 7 is some top slot. Yeah. And Tate, hi. Hello to you, Tate. Hello. Let's see what's gonna happen. All right, crazy time, everyone. Ow, ow. Ow, 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 ow. Let's go, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go to the crazy time. Let's go! Woo-hoo! And remember from top slots, 4x multiplier here, yeah! Welcome to the crazy time, everybody. And hopefully, yes, 4x, thank you for joining, yes. Yep, the multiplier added, whoosha, whoosha, whoosha. And right now, 3 flappers in front of you. Blue, green, or yellow. Which one is going to be the one that brings you the big bada boom bada multiplier there popping up? So it looks like the majority is heading out for that blue, the blueberry muffin. Well, let's see what's gonna happen. Final seconds for decision time, and let's go 400x, baby. Let's go! Let's go, maybe get some double cheeseburgers here. Woo! Good luck, everyone. Ow, ow, ow! Yes! Yes! Double cheeseburger on that blue! Double cheeseburger on that blue. Double cheeseburger on that blue. 800x, baby, 800x. Yeah, the biggest one. Or should we go another double cheeseburger? Like, why not? We could have it, right? Yeah! Another double cheeseburger, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go. Let's go. Another double. Another double. Another double. Let's go. Let's go. 1,600x, the biggest one. Another double, maybe? Why not? Why not? Okay, so 320x on that blue, 100x on that green, and 60x on that yellow. Compliments to all the winners.
Sandra, my brother, are you around? Good luck. And please, everybody, keep in mind the golden rules of gambling. Do not gamble amount of your money you're supposed to be spending on something else. You're not gamble amount of money you cannot afford to lose. Do not gamble prostrated. Do not gamble. Do not chase your wins. I mean, 7x went crazy though. Chris, I wish you the best of luck whenever you're placing bets here, but please do keep in mind the golden rules and stay responsible of decisions you make. We got a 7x crazy time! Ooh, okay. This is a good day. Ah, yeah! Crazy time! We got a 7x from the top slot. Oh, baby. I love it already. Let's go. Multipliers that showed up, but of course, every single multiplier that just showed up there is about to get 7 times as good. This is exciting. Alrighty, well, everything has been multiplied. This is decision time. The green, the blue, the yellow flapper. You gotta choose. Come on now. 700. I know we can get it for somebody. And I believe in some bubbles as well. Doubling up. team. So it's gonna be 1,400x maybe. 140x. Alrighty. Oh, green one actually got the best one. Congratulations. Good luck. Autoplay in the bottom right available if you wish to make the system plays bits for you. You can feel free to use that wonderful, fabulous option as well. Opportunity. Opa, crazy time 3x on the top start again. Bum ba-dum bum ba-dum ba-dum bum. Well, Nemesis, it wasn't that long though. It was not that long. And you know what? Crazy time with a magical touch right there. We got. Oh, yeah, I love to see this. Ah, penguins are coming back. Let's go, guys! Ooh, look at this beauty. Crazy time, crazy time, crazy, crazy, crazy time. Alright, the actual beauty we're about to see yet. The multipliers are showing up on the wheel, but they are all about to get 3 times as good now. Guess 3x from the top slot, yeah, baby! Sweet. Alrighty, well, now your decision time begins. The green, the blue, or the yellow flapper. You get a big one. Come on, guys. Can we get that 600 extra somebody? That's a good shot. $75, 75, and 150x. Yellow team, you got the best one.
Play more than a €1,000 win for you. Good job, buddy. Enjoy, and betting time's all yours. Autoplay option is available. Right, let's go. Oh dear. Good luck. 7x on 10. We have a lot of Russian people here now, so oh, that's alright. Slow down. Crazy time. Let's go. Ooh. Alright, well. Follow me. And what's up, ladies? What's up, gentlemen? So we made it. Well, there we go. Right, so we have triples up on a wheel, which is great. Okay, cool. So yeah, now it is your time to choose of whichever flapper you want to go for. Green one, blue one, yellow one. If you can't pick in time, don't worry, Autopick will do it for you. So choose carefully, choose wisely. Most of you are going for the blue flapper. More than 35%. So max multiplier now is 200x. Good luck. $25 for the green team, 20 for the blue team. Yellow team, you got that 200x. Let's go.